Do you want to stroll among flower field art in the valley? Well, the first ever Tempe Blooms event is happening this weekend. And here to tell us all about it is Lori Foster with Downtown Tempe Authority. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Oh my gosh, it smells amazing in here. These flowers smell so good and beautiful.
Yes, these are from Arizona Flower Market. They're our sponsor for the first ever Tempe Blooms.
Ooh.
It's a large-scale floral event in downtown Tempe this weekend.
Okay, it's happening this weekend and it's the first ever. So how did you guys even come up with this idea?
So we were inspired. We've been working on this event for over 3 years. We were inspired by an event that we saw in New York City.
Okay.
Where there were large-scale floral installations all over the downtown district. And so we were able to get a grant from the Arizona Office of Tourism, Visit Arizona Initiative, and we brought this to life, literally.
Oh my gosh.
This is just a small example of some of the things you'll see. If you can remember or think about the large, ginormous rabbits that are in downtown Tempe, they're going to be covered with flowers. So these are large-scale floral installations, over 20 of them. Scattered all through downtown Tempe.
All through downtown Tempe. How amazing, right? You're like, we've been working on this for 3 years and now it's come to life and it's going to be amazing. So how does it work and what can people expect? You've already given us some details, but break it down a little more.
Yeah, so it's not just flower installations. We have over 10 live muralists painting life-size murals. And over 60 musicians and music acts scattered throughout downtown. So the way it works is you'll stop at the information booth at 5th Street and Mill Avenue. You'll pick up a map. They'll give you a pathway to follow all through downtown to see all 20 floral installations, the musicians, the live artists, and then you'll stop at a Flowerful market that's all around City Hall that will be filled with vendors that sell all sorts of floral and plant-based merchandise. Arizona Flower Market will be on hand to do demonstrations twice a day.
Oh, that's exciting.
If you want to get flowers for your spring pots or an entryway, spectacular display for your entryway for spring, you can learn how to do that too.
And you know what's going to be awesome is it's been raining a lot here in the valley, right? But this weekend, it's supposed to be beautiful, like in the 70s.
We ordered up great weather. It's going to be sunny and 73 on Saturday.
Woo!
So it's going to be a great experience. We've even enlisted several of the downtown merchants. So after you've gone through and taken a look at all of the floral installations and listened to the musicians and watched the muralists, you can stop and have a flower-themed cocktail at Varsity Tavern, a cactus margarita, or even Sparky's Ice Cream Creamery created a custom cactus flower flavor. So lots to enjoy downtown this weekend.
That's a must to try then after you're done walking through downtown Tempe. And so why do you think this type of event is important for Tempe?
Well, it's important because we've been, as the Business Improvement District for downtown Tempe, we've worked to really energize the downtown district for businesses, for hotels, to bring tourism back. It's a busy tourism weekend. Barrett-Jackson's starting this weekend, spring training soon to start. So we want to make sure that people know that downtown Tempe is a place to be for unique, interesting, and fun events. And so this is a new event that we're producing to add to our slate of our traditional events like the Tempe Festival of the Arts and Pride and Juneteenth and the holiday parades, and we couldn't be more excited.
Oh my gosh, well, definitely a beautiful event, right?
Yes.
Let's talk about parking real quick. How can people get around with parking?
So it's going to be so easy to get downtown this weekend. If you're driving in, you can park for free in the 201 South Ash Garage, which is right at Rio Salado and Ash Avenue. You could ride in on the light rail or even take the Tempe streetcar, or since the weather's going to be so great, bring the family down on your bicycle and bike through and take a look at the installation.
Yeah, if you're in that area, just bike over there.
Easy
peasy. Perfect. Okay, and this is a free event, open to everyone.
Totally free event. It's on Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.
And where can people go to learn some more information?
DowntownTempe.com.
All right, sounds good. Well, thank you so much for joining us and congratulations on this event.
Thank you so much.
And again, if you want to learn more, go ahead and visit downtowntempe.com or call the number there at the bottom of your screen.